in the process of trying to get Cranberry ready for this road trip we about to do. Y'all see that later. We'll talk about that later. But right now, I'm trying to get her ready.
What you got today, buddy?
Boom.
Woo!
So, it probably look crazy. Y'all like, what the hell is that? If you ride, you already know what it is.
But explain to the ones that don't. You know, we got a couple
that don't
subscribers
really,
don't.
You talking about Dairy Queen riders that don't go down the street? Okay, y'all, for y'all that don't know, this is gonna hold my phone. This is gonna hold my GoPro. So it's a RAM mount, but this part right here is actually an aftermarket I had to get because my RAM mount, this piece of it was not gonna make it till tomorrow, which is a day late, $1 short. So I had to order this. And this comes with a charger on it, which I don't need. So I'm gonna end up cutting this off because y'all know 2014 and up street glides and any touring bikes, they come with a USB charger already. So we won't need that. But basically this is gonna go on the bike, hold the phone, and then also hold the GoPro all on one side. So it's a lot easier to control just on one side, so I'm not going back and forth. So I got this from my big bro, got this from Woo, learned from him. So we're gonna install this and we'll check it out. It should be pretty quick, just a couple bolts, that's all it is, y'all.
Yeah, show where it mounts.
Okay, so basically when we go to mount it, it's gonna go right here. That's all it's gonna go. It's
right
gonna go
into
there.
the existing.
Yep, it's gonna hold the phone here, hold the GoPro here. All right, so here we go. Wish me luck. And if y'all wanted, like, if y'all saying, damn, that bolt was loose as hell. No, 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 I pre-loosened it. Come on, y'all. Y'all know these bikes got way too much vibration.
Nah, he tested out. I ain't gonna put him on Front Street like that, man.
We'd have been pulling over. You'd have been seeing them hazard lights on, like, pull over. Pull over. Yep. Hey, man. So, yeah, so I don't know. Just like when you're doing long rides, man, this stuff is everything. Especially with our, we got the Cena helmet, the Cena walkie-talkie. So it's a lot easier. So you can listen to your music through it. If somebody calls, you ain't tripping. You just hit the Bluetooth. You can switch from your Cena to, you know, your radio, whatever you want to do.
Yep.
A lot easier than trying to be like, pull over, somebody calling me. You know, it's not connected to my bike. You ain't holding everybody up.
Right.
So we got it? Yep, I got it. So that's that. Now, this comes with longer.
Did you look at the screws?
Yep, those are the shorter screws.
Okay.
So the closest thing I got to them would be these.
If I was a betting man, I would say that's it.
Yep. And what I know, those to take out was a T25, and these are actually Allen heads. So I'm gonna have to go get my Allen wrenches. So might have to pause for a minute, but we'll see.
We'll be right back.
All right, y'all. So after trying to figure out exactly how to put this on, we had to go take a look at Trey bike, see it, and found out. Trey, can you show them the spacers? Yeah. So there's spacers that go right here. So this doesn't fit directly up against your front brake handle. So you had to put spacers in there, and then you determine which bolts you use. Comes with several different bolts, so depending on which bike you have. So it's pretty simple after that, but trust me, 4 hands are better than 2. All right, so this is an actual Ram double ball mount. We got the Moto Wolf GoPro adapter. It's pretty solid, no issues with there. I did notice that the Ram ball mounts are bigger than the Moto Wolves, but they will fit on there. So don't worry about that, they will match up. I do have an official Ram, like I said before, phone mount, but this one will work just fine on here. The bolts on here, they're 4mm Allen head wrench. So I kind of pretty much got them set. I just got to bolt them down a little to get them tight. Make sure they are super tight, because y'all know ain't nothing worse going down the road finding out stuff on your bike is getting loose.
Yeah, you can't be adjusting nothing at 70 miles an hour.
No, sir. So tighten it, but like I say, don't strip nothing. You know, get it nice and snug. That's good. It ain't going nowhere. I can see the whole bike's moving. No issues. So now, like I say, this is an aftermarket brand I bought. It comes with a charger, but I don't need that because the bike already has one. So I'm gonna cut this off. What did I do with my snips? So I got some snips here. And basically, I'm just gonna cut this off because we don't need this rolling down the road. All right, you got that, Woo?
Yep.
Just gonna snip that right off. No issues there.
Clean it up a little bit.
Yep, don't need that.
Oop.
Wait. All right. So now we're gonna mount this to this. So as you can see, it's gonna go like that. All right. So get it open just enough. Not too loose, because if you get too loose, you're gonna lose your screws. You're gonna be mad. And you're gonna be like, man, I couldn't get it. There we go, just enough. Get it on there. Boom, boom. So you got your secondary back here to hold your phone. You got your primary. Your phone's gonna go, here. Lock my phone up.
Just watch your button, because
because if I hit that button, it'll do the SOS. Phone's there. All right. And your GoPro, boom, it's gonna go right here. Super simple, super easy, a lot user friendly.
multitask.
Yep. If I can get this. Hey, shut up. I heard you say it. I heard you say it.
Hey, I was giving you about 10 more seconds and then I was good.
Hey, I know y'all was about to say if some hair was around it. Hey, don't do it. Hey. There we go. There we go.
4th of July be here soon.
Y'all ain't right. Hey, but I got it on there. So make sure this joker is tight, because you definitely
That's a lot of money.
You be upset, be crying.
Give them a front view.
Yeah.
You can adjust it.
Oh yeah.
To
so once that's tight, you can tighten that.
Switch it there up top.
You can. This tightens up, and then once you get that nice and tight, loosen your ball. Put it, boom, tight.
Pow.
There you go.
Camera.
You good to go. Got your phone.
And you got your phone.
Yep. Hey, that picture was taken on our last trip, New York City. Y'all remember that?
New York City.
Yeah, I remember that trip.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So that's, hey, appreciate y'all. So we'll see how this does on the road. I'll share my feedback, tell you was it a go or a no-go. But that's another short video of guys doing things.
Peace.